Hi, it's the Magic of Math here, and today we're talking about relationships and the coordinate plane, where we're going to talk about the x-axis and the relationship to the y-axis as we look at a real-world graph and that relationship. Here's our question today. This graph represents the number of copies a copy machine can make in different numbers of minutes. Based on the graph, which of the following is the closest to the total number of copies the machine can make in 5 minutes? So here on the right you have the graph, copies per minute, and you have 4 answer choices. So I want you to read the graph and determine, based on that graph, which answer is the closest to the copies made in 5 minutes. Here's where you pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see mine. Welcome back. So again, we're looking for the closest to the total number of copies that this machine, based on this graph, can make in 5 minutes. So the information we've been given is to work with 5 minutes and find that total number of copies. And it says closest, so we're going to be using the word about. So let's go to our graph. Our x-axis represents the minutes. We see that right here, number of minutes. And we want to know number of minutes. We have 5. So we're going to identify 5 on our graph. It falls between 4 and 6. Now we're going to take that location on the x-axis and we're going to travel up to our graphed line. And then from this, we're going to head straight over to the number of copies made, our value y. So we're going to use the graph of this information plotted, this data, to say in approximately 5 minutes, right? In 5 minutes, about how many copies can be made. So I see that this is falling about between these two values, 120 and 160. So if I look at the middle of that, it's 40. Each interval here is increasing by 40. Half of 40 is 20. So 120 plus 20 is 140, plus 20 is 160. So 140 is halfway between these two values, where we're about on our line if we go up from 5 and over to that y-axis to determine the number of copies made. So when I look at my 4 answer choices, I can see that C and D cannot be those value answers because they're larger than our interval. So they're above 160. 175 and 200 are not in that about area. But I can see that 125 and 150, answer choices A and B, do fall in that space that I've identified. Now we need to go back and look at that 125 is 15 below 140, and 150 is 10 above 140. Our instructions said find the closest, which is 10 is closer to 140 than 15 away. So we're going to say that the number of copies, the closest number of copies that can be made in 5 minutes based on this graph is answer B, about 150. And that's how you determine a relationship on the coordinate plane between an x and a y on a real-world graph. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day, and please come back soon.